Hi, welcome to this DCP web tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to convert an Excel spreadsheet into a CSV file. Okay, let's go ahead and open up this folder on my desktop. And inside this folder, I've got this one table data Excel file. So if we open up this Excel file, we can see that I've highlighted some of the colors in green and yellow. But typically when we export data in CSV file, we won't retain any of the visual information, right? So if anything is bold or anything is colored in some certain colors, we don't get that information when we export in CSV file. Typically a CSV file is used to import that data into another application. So for example, if I had two columns here, one with name and maybe one with email address, and if I wanted to import that data into MailChimp, then typically I would create an Excel file but then save it in CSV format. So this table data here is just information really from my YouTube channels. I'm just looking at stats from YouTube and I'm highlighting certain videos, and maybe I'll send that off to my staff to create some thumbnails or something like this, like create ones in yellow and green ones leave them alone, for example, right? But I want to, in this case, in this particular tutorial, we want to export this data in a CSV file. Let's go to File and let's go to Save As, and in the drop down menu you see there's CSV UTF-8, right? And it's comma delimited, and then there's other versions here. There's like comma delimited, there is Macintosh, there's Mac, there's MS-DOS as well. There's different versions, but typically you want to save it as a CSV file UTF-8 version. This is the best compatible file to import data into other applications, right? So MailChimp and maybe HubSpot or any other sort of application where you're importing data, you want to save it in CSV UTF-8 comma delimited CSV file. So I'm going to select that option and click Save, and I'm going to close down this Excel spreadsheet. So now inside of this folder we've got actually two files, right? We've got a CSV file and we've got an Excel file. But one thing to note is if we open up the CSV file, all of the colors that are noted in my Excel file have been removed. So CSV is in its rawest format. It's just raw data. It just so happens that you can open it in Excel, but you can open it in other applications as well, right? It's not an Excel spreadsheet anymore. It's a CSV file. So to really see that, or to really illustrate that better, if we just move this to the side and if we just open up Notepad, so here's a little Notepad file. We can grab this CSV file and drag and drop it into Notepad. And now you can see the actual CSV data. And you can see that the data is separated by commas. So here you can see the commas where all of the breaks are for the columns and the data that sits underneath it. So all of these ones across the top here, these are all going to be the headers. And underneath you're going to have all of the raw data. So it looks quite complicated, but really you're just taking your Excel spreadsheet and you're separating out the data using commas to separate the values and the columns, right? That's all it is at the end of the day. Very simple. So that's how you go about exporting your data from an Excel spreadsheet into a CSV file. There's not much else to it really. Hopefully this tutorial you'll find it useful, and don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel where you can access lots more free video tutorials on a wide range of subjects, and I look forward to seeing you in the next DCP web tutorial.